Right, the light's a bit low. It's a little bit late. We've been busy, but I want to have a quick look at the river. It has rised a little bit, not much yet. We're expecting the big rise to start from here from Friday. So the pumps have been pulled in one length and they've tightened up the cables a little bit. You can see here it's actually dropped a bit. It's been a little bit higher and then dropped. There is that dip in the flow. Just a quick information that's new. So there was a peak flow at Bloemhof this morning shown. Some people did the screenshot, captured it at 3,500 cubic meters per second. I couldn't find confirmation of that. I can't say that it wasn't like that, but there was no other indicators that it's been up there. So, but at least we know the peak flow is up to at least 3,000 cubic meters per second. They have closed that down again because the Bloemhof Dam level has dropped by about 4% from 116 to 112%, and they could reduce that flow, and it's probably because the flow above Bloemhof has been dropping down slightly, and then from Gariep side, the water going into Van der Kloof, they calculated, we got a message from Department of Water that they need to start generating electricity at Van der Kloof. Starting one unit is about 200 cumex. They're going to start one tonight and one early morning hours sometime, so that'll be roughly about 400 cubic meters per second adding to the river. But now Bloemhof outflow has dropped down to about 2,600 cubic meters per second, so adding that 400 will give us again a peak of around 3,000 cubic meters per second. I think it's a good thing that they're starting to let water out of Van der Kloof early, because in about 3 days it's going to start overflowing anyway. So that's good. Light's a bit low, moon is out, don't know if the camera will pick it up there. But that's the only change for now. We did a long video yesterday, so I'm not going to prolong this one. We'll see you on the next one. Cheers.
Kyk mooi, daar so loop die water daar by die kragwerkers ook uit.